Hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss with you about some free LinkedIn courses which are very valuable because you are going to get a certificate along with it. And thank you for watching all my previous videos, and I will keep on sharing all the things that I will get to know about and who can benefit you. So the very first course on LinkedIn is about Tableau. Tableau is very famous. If you want to do any marketing job, even in this course, you can find that there is a certificate that is in show all. You can see LinkedIn free certificate. After watching all these videos, you will come on this show all link under certificates, and you can download your certificate from here after watching these videos. The next course is about learning Python. Python is very important programming language. Nowadays, it is very famous among programmers code. The persons who want to do coding and the person who want to get a job as a programmer. It is really very beneficial, and moreover, on this LinkedIn course, you will get a certificate also, which you can get from here from show a link. You can download it. Come here, you will have to watch all the content of this course. After watching these videos, you can download this certificate. And Python is really very important course if you want to be a good programmer. Very much in demand nowadays, and you can add on your skills. So next course is about customer service. If you want to do a job in any mall and any other site in which you have to deal with the customers, you have to do job in a bank, or even many other options are there in which you have to be a customer representative and you have to be in contact with the customers. And at that time, customer service foundation course is very important. If you have done this course, you can get the certificate of this and you can add it on your skills, and you can show the certificate on your LinkedIn profile. It really increases your chances of getting such jobs which are related to customer experience. There are many jobs like jobs in bank, Walmarts, and in many companies they need customer representative. So all you have to do is watch all the videos, and after watching the videos, you have to choose show all from the certificates, and you can download the certification. This course is also free of cost. You don't have to buy this course, and you just can do this course free of cost. And the next course is, this is again same customer service, problem solving and troubleshooting. While we are giving job interviews for customer service representative or any other such jobs, or any other job in which we have to face the customers, we need to answer some questions based on the problem solving and troubleshooting. Like they can ask us, they can put up a problem with us and they can ask for the solution from us. After watching this series, you will get to know how to answer such questions. Moreover, it will add up your certification also in your LinkedIn profile, so it is also very beneficial. And the next course, Excel is very much in demand nowadays because in all the companies require it. If you want to do data management, data analysis, data interpretation, if you want to make reports for your company, you should have the knowledge of Excel. You will surely get many job opportunities, like you can get a job as database management, you can get a job as administrative, data entry. You can get many other company jobs in which they need the use of Excel sheets. So I will suggest you should try these courses and get certifications. I will discuss about the links of these courses in my description. Must go inside that and enjoy the free learning. Thank you all. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with all your friends and family. So keep supporting me, guys. Stay tuned with me. Thank you, everyone.